Hello everyone, welcome to OET Answers. Today I have brought in another topic for you. Throughout the video, we are going to discuss about the particular topic. Before move on to the topic, let's we have a discussion. I have displayed the page on a screen. So now tell me that have you ever seen these type of questions before? Obviously, you might have seen this type of questions in your reading, especially in the part C, right? So on the screen, you can see 6 different questions. Now look at the question number 1. According to the passage, what is the author's opinion on the current healthcare policies? Okay, according to the passage, which means the particular paragraph or the passage will be given. What is the author's opinion? From the particular paragraph, you have to understand the author's opinion. So how can you understand the author's opinion? So that I will explain you in detail about the rest of the video. Okay, so what is the author's opinion? So author's opinion is nothing but it is complete opinion, right? It is completely about his thought, a particular person's thought, particular person's belief, particular person's ideas. Okay, so completely based on the individual's opinion, okay, or suggestion, whatever we can include on the current healthcare policies. So regarding the current healthcare policies, what is the author's opinion? Okay, this is the question. And so one more example that we can see. So look at question number 4. What does the author recommend for improving mental health? Okay, what does the author recommend? Here, recommendation also you can consider as an opinion, because recommendation, suggestion, advice, these are the things comes under the opinion. One of person's opinion or any individual's opinion or the author's opinion, right? So what does the author recommend for improving mental health? To improve the mental health, what is the suggestion of the author? Okay, so this is about the example. Let's we start a session. So this is about opinion that we are going to discuss in the entire video. So the opinion topic, at least you can see 2 questions in each extracts of part C. Okay, what is opinion? An opinion type question asks you to understand the writer's personal beliefs or judgment. Okay, here opinion is nothing but it's completely based on writer's personal beliefs, such as his personal thoughts, his personal ideas, his personal thinking, and his own judgment about a particular topic. It focuses on what the writer thinks or feels rather than just presenting facts. Okay, it only focuses on the writer's emotions, things, feels, and so on. So rather than just presenting facts, it's not about the presenting facts. I have taken an example for you. Now read the question. What is the author's opinion on the effectiveness of telemedicine? Author's opinion, right? So just we have to look for author's opinion in the passage. Read the passage. I believe telemedicine is a game changer in providing accessible healthcare to remote areas. Okay, so what kind of information they have provided here? I believe, right? So this is the author's opinion. Author opinion was he believes. Okay, he believes the telemedicine is a game changer. Okay, what is game changer? Actually, the meaning is we can take it as a breakthrough or an innovation. Okay, so game changer is nothing but it is telemedicine is an innovation or is a breakthrough in providing accessible healthcare to remote areas. Now track for your answers. The author thinks telemedicine is very effective. Okay, so whether the author display the very effective information directly? No, right? So just he stated, I believe. I believe is his opinion. Okay, so author thinks telemedicine is very effective, game changer. It is an innovative one. So I believe it is a very effective. Telemedicine is a very effective. So now look at for clue words. Instead of revealing his opinion, he used some phrases such as I believe. I believe shows its author's opinion. Okay, so here I told you a game changer is an innovative one. I believe it's the exact thing that we are dealing now about opinion. Okay, this is his opinion. This is the exact phrase. So it shows author's opinion. This is an OET related example for opinion. Let's redo it together. In the passage, telemedicine has been hailed as a revolutionary step in modern health care. Hailed. So, this is a new phrase, right? So, hailed is nothing but, so it's like to greet someone enthusiastically or with the approval. Okay, so we are greeting something or we are greeting someone enthusiastically or curiously, like that. So, as a revolutionary step in modern healthcare, providing patients with access to medical consultations from the comfort of their homes, which means telemedicine is an innovative one that has been hailed or approved in the modern healthcare, providing patients with access to medical consultations. So, through the telemedicine, all the individuals can access the medical consultations from their comfort at their home. Okay. Proponents means supporters, argue that it reduces the burden on healthcare facilities and offers timely medical advice. Okay, it reduces the burden with the healthcare facility. So we no need to go to the hospital directly, and there is no need of that burdens. And offers timely medical advice. So through the telemedicine, we can get timely medical advice, especially in remote area, movable areas. Okay. However, some healthcare professionals remain skeptical about its effectiveness. So, whatever they have stated previously, however, is a contrast word. So, after the contrast word, you know very well, many of the answer key would be hidden. So we need to analyze about it. However, some healthcare professionals remain skeptical about its effectiveness. Skeptical means doubtful about its effectiveness, citing concerns about the quality of care and the potential for misdiagnosis. So here citing means nothing but pointing out or mentioning something. So they have stated concerns about the quality of care. Okay, so whoever skeptic about the telemedicine, they are concerning about the care, quality of care and potential possible for misdiagnosis. They are thinking there will be a negative thing that is leads to the misdiagnosis. Despite, note here, despite these concerns, okay, positive and negative. So overall, the writer stated as despite these concerns include initially positive information they have given, and after, however, word that healthcare professionals remain skeptical. That is about the negative one. Okay, so despite these concerns, the adoption of telemedicine continues to grow, driven by advancements in technology and the increasing demand for convenient healthcare solutions. Okay, so here positive and negative. Overall, writer, from his opinion, he has stated that the adoption of telemedicine, which means the writer stated, due to the advancements of technology, the telemedicine has been hailed or telemedicine has been innovated. So here, telemedicine's its demand, it continues to grow. So, and it is really convenient for every individuals to meet their healthcare problems and its solutions, right? So this is the information they have stated on the passage, and we need to find the author's opinion. Now read the question. What is the author's opinion on the effectiveness of telemedicine? Okay, so regarding the telemedicine information they have given in the passage, what is the author's opinion that you need to find? You can see the four different options. Look at answer option A. Believes telemedicine is highly effective and has no significant drawbacks. Okay. So I told you your focus is finding author's opinion. What is the author's opinion or author's thought that you need to understand? Believes telemedicine is highly effective. Yes, this is the opinion, but remaining of the sentence that has no significant drawbacks. This is not stated by the author. Okay, so if you see the passage after the contrast word, that is however, so on the fourth line, However, some healthcare professionals remain skeptical about its effectiveness. Okay, so we cannot directly say about no significant drawbacks because some healthcare professionals stated that they are being remain skeptical, right? So we cannot choose answer option A as the author's opinion. So you can eliminate it. The half of the information will not determine the exact answer. A full sentence or full information what they have given in the answer option, that would be right. Right. Now, move on to the answer option B. Skeptical about the effectiveness of telemedicine and highlights its potential risks. Okay. So here the second sentence as well as the question. It is not suitable answer option for the question because author's opinion. Skeptical about authors, not skeptical about the effectiveness. You can see on the passage last two lines, despite these concerns, this is the answer location, right? Despite these concerns, the adoption of telemedicine continues to grow, driven by advancements in technology and increasing demand for convenient healthcare solutions. It is a completely positive information, not only the negative. Okay, so skeptical about its effectiveness stated by the healthcare professionals, and telemedicine highlights its potential risks. It's a wrong information they have stated, make you confused. You can eliminate this also. Then move on to the third option. Answer option C presents a balanced view, acknowledging both the benefits and concerns. Okay, you can make it as a query because presents a balanced view. Presents a balanced view means writer present or represent a balanced view. Balanced view means benefits as well as concerns. He concerns. Okay, so despite the particular word, despite this phrase indicates whatever stated before as well as his opinion. They have includes despite these concerns. These concerns include benefits as well as concerns. Okay. That's why they have mentioned as benefits as well as drawbacks. Okay. The same thing only they have mentioned as despite these concerns. Okay. So present a balanced view, acknowledging both the benefits and concerns. Okay. Overall, healthcare professionals stated a negative way of information regarding telemedicine, and the author accepts the positive way of telemedicine, how it is feasible for individuals. Okay, so overall, the point or the passage conveys presents the balanced view. So writer or the author directly presents a balanced view. Balanced view means equal, right? So acknowledging both the benefits and concerns or benefits and drawbacks. So he completely agrees with that. Okay, this is the exact answer for the question. This is the author's opinion. Okay, for your better understanding, let's we try to eliminate one more option, that is option D. Believes telemedicine should be avoided due to its potential for misdiagnosis. So you can directly eliminate it first because should be avoided. The opinion, this is not opinion and the opinion is not stated in the passage even. So that you can eliminate, and remaining part of sentence also wrong. Potential for misdiagnosis, which means possibility of misdiagnosis, leads misdiagnosis. Only from the passage they have taken some phrases to make you confused. Okay, but your focus should be on finding the exact answer for the question, right? As per the question only you need to answer. Clear? I will show you. So on the screen I have highlighted the exact answers with the greening, right? So what is the author's opinion of the effectiveness telemedicine? Everything. So for that, what is the exact answer? That also I have highlighted there. You can see it, right? All right. So this is about the OET related example for opinion. I hope. So you can clearly differentiate what is attitude and what is opinion, and how can you use that type of questions on the OET related example. Clear? Then. Okay, how to identify opinion? Already we saw how to identify our attitude phrases, right? So here I have displayed some phrases that you need to identify. Okay, whether it is opinion or what kind of category they have given. Okay, so first look at phrases. Look for phrases that indicate a personal belief or judgment. Okay, in the definition itself, you can see these two keywords. Example, author believe, author think, in my view. Okay, so from my point of view, from my perspective, in my view, and I guess, I explain, I think. So these are the words indicate opinion type. Okay, so these are the words will help you to identify the opinion, whether it is right as opinion or not. Okay, so under the phrases, these are the phrases coming. Then subjectivity. Opinions are subjective and cannot be proven true or false. Okay, so opinion, it's based on the individual's belief or judgment, his thinking or thought, something else, right? Not, or it cannot be proven, either it's true or false. Okay, it is not a fact, it is an opinion that you need to understand. They reflect personal views only. They reflect personal views, one's or individuals views, how they feel about it, right? And look at for the context there. Consider the context in which the opinion is expressed. So is the writer supporting or opposing? Yes, sir. So I told you, in the attitude type question, from the context you can understand whether they are highlighting benefits or drawbacks. So same like here, from the context you can understand whether they are supporting or opposing for something. Okay, same, but you need to understand the definition, then only you can clear it for everything. Then so ask yourself, I have made these three for you. What does the writer think or believe about this topic? Okay, according to the opinion, according to the strategies that I have taught you, you need to ask yourself. And what words or phrases show their personal view? So on the screen, or OET explanation related to opinion, right? So I have showed you that, also you can refer for these questions. And clue words like, look phrases like I believe, I think, in my opinion, I already told you, right? Let's see about the last one, that's words referring opinion. Clear here. Yes, here are 20 phrases, more than 20 phrases I have made, so that can help you to identify the opinions, including both direct terms, as well as you can find the synonyms meaning of it. Believe means what, you can use another synonyms pattern that you need to understand, and you need to find their synonyms along with an explanation. With an explanation, you have to find the synonyms too. I will give you a couple of examples for you. So let's we take first one, that is believe. All right, I believe. If you see the paragraph, I believe, like the word which indicates a personal conviction, right? For example, I believe the aerobic exercise is very good for your respiratory health. I believe. Okay, so here I believe is the opinion. So there, what is the statement? I believe. It is completely opinion based, that you can differentiate. So which shows personal belief about the importance of aerobic exercises, right? Then so let's we see about the other things in very shortly. Is in my view or in my opinion. So like these phrases, what you need to do is, in my opinion or in my view, just he expresses his personal view or personal opinion, personal thought. Okay, so for example, I think, if you take I think, it indicates personal thought or idea of an individual. And for I feel, okay, so for example, I feel, it reflects an emotional response of in anyone or individuals, right? So this is about the phrases and what it indicates. Okay, so let's do yourself for the remaining phrases of opinion. So as like that, you need to ask or practice yourself with these reference words. I hope this video is really helpful for you. I believe that you got more tricks and ideas to crack the opinion based questions. So thanks for watching this video patiently. Would you like to extend the OET learning? This is the right platform that you can utilize it. I can assure you with that I can assist you effectively with your learning. For more assistance or for more support, kindly contact OET Answers. The contact details being displayed on the screen. Thank you.